Okay, guys, for these office part projects, here's the instruction file. So you would download this starting document, you download this, and then it shows you the solution. This is how your files should look. Keep in mind that yours may vary a little bit, but try to get them as close to these solution files as possible. Okay, so after you download it, I'm going to do just here as a quick to show you all when it opens up. Someday.
Well, you wanted them in the house.
Okay. So then you'll type it, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Say this. Don't change this up, or you will change this up here to your first name, last name. All right. Just going to save this to the desktop as a sample. Desktop. Now remember, yours will have your first name and last name here. Alright, and it will have all the work. Okay. Alright. Then you go to upload here. Oops, mine's a little different. Okay. Let me put it here. Let me get it. Pause this. Let me get it in student